Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Adams and Checkout, and today we have the Maximum Gold box from Konami. So this just came out this week. Got this at Walmart actually, and I think I saw some at Target too. So I believe there's 4 boxes here, and we are looking for the gold Blue Eyes, Dark Magician, and the gold Red Eyes Black Dragon. So without further ado, let's open this baby up. All right guys, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes of Maximum Gold, and let's see what we get. All right guys, so each little box comes with, let me open this up. Okay, so yeah, so each box comes with 4 packs. So 4 Maximum Gold packs per box, so that equals 20 of these golden packs. So 20 opportunities to get one of the gold Dark Magicians or Blue Eyes. So let's see what we get. First one up. All right, Dragon's Mirror. Cool. Drowning Mirror Force, good one. Oh my god, we got Harpy's Feather Duster. And check out the gold around this. So what I like about these cards is that if you guys feel the texture on this, it actually pops out. So let me see if my camera can actually get it. I don't think so, but you can kind of see there's a little depth to the card. So of course this is holographic all around, so pretty cool card. And Harpy's Feather Duster was actually one of the cards that I needed actually, so cool. So here's one. Now we have number 39 Utopia, and I think there's 7 cards per pack, so 2 golden ones I think. And here's our other one, Dark Rebellion XYZ Dragon. Awesome artwork. And then Preparation of Rites. Cool. All right, now let's go into our second pack. Not bad. We got a Harpy's Feather Duster right away. Nice. Okay. And now for this one, the White Stone of Ancients, Eater of Millions, and wow, a Gaia the Champion, Gaia the Dragon Champion. Pretty cool. Like I said, guys, it's so cool that you can actually feel like the thing, and it's so glossy too. It's like your finger just slides off. Pretty awesome. I think this is one of my favorite rares. Now look at that. Look how majestic that looks. Sweet. Imagine how good a Blue Eyes would look with this. Foolish Burial and a Cosmo Town. Cool. Interesting. And Dark Lord Rebellion. Okay. Oh, and Dark Lord Nastin. Nice. Alright guys, 2 more packs for this box. Let's see what we get. Can we beat Harpy's Feather Duster? I think that's one of the ones that people want. Okay, Call Up of the Grave. And by the way, every other card, they look like they're rare, but they are not hollow, so yeah, that's a bummer. Scrap Recycler and Nurse Dragon Maid. Nice. Cool, cool. Awesome. And Galaxy Eyes. Nice. And Infernity Mirage. Cool. Awesome. And we get another Dark Lord Mastin and a Preparation of Rites. Okay. So far, this box says, well, it's alright. I mean, we did get the Harpy's Feather Duster. Not too bad for a first box. Noble Knight, whatever. Elemental Hero Stratus. Nice. I think it's a different artwork now. Cool. And Trickstar Reincarnation, Machine Duplication, and cool, Reinforcement of the Army. Nice little equip card here. Nice. I mean, draw card. Not bad. And Red Eye Dice and Prime Monarch. Okay. Now for second box. Alright, so we got the second one open. Let's see what we get over here. Alright, so we have Buster Blader, nice. Noble Knight. And another Stratos, okay. Unexpected whatever. Zodiac. Chakanine, whatever. And okay. Cool. See what we get on this one. And we get cool extra foolish burial. I think we got all burials now. C101 and Forbidden Chalice. Nice. Dame of True Monarchs and cool Utopia Lightning. Sweet. And number 10 and Galaxy Eyes. Okay. Okay. Two more. And this is our second box, so okay. Another Mirror Force. A Noble Knight. And oh nice. Cyber Dragon Infinity. This looks dope. And Silent Angler. Temple of the Sky. Oh, we got Eldritch, the Golden Lord. Nice. Cool. I actually wanted this one too. Sweet. And just look how cool this looks. The stars pop out too. Amazing job. Terraforming. Nice. Last pack. Necro Valley Throne. Oh, there can only be one. Nice. Oh my goodness, guys. Wow. Wow, look at that, guys. Wow. Blue Eyes, White Dragon, Maximum Gold. Gold rare? I don't even know. I forgot what the rare is called, but wow. You guys looking at this like, sheesh, check this. Look at that. Oh my god, it's like 3D. If you guys see this at Walmart, get it, because these look so dope. Like everything, the element, the stars, everything just pops right at your face. Nice. Okay, I am happy with this box. We got an Eldritch and a Blue Eyes. Amazing. What's up next? Cool. XYZ Dragon. Did we just pull this one? I think we did. Pretty cool. And Mind Control. Nice. Well then, guys, I am satisfied with this box. Let's see what the next one brings. Alright, guys, box number 3. Let's see. Can we pull a Red Eyes? If we pull a Red Eyes, man, I'll be one happy dude. There can only be one, and a Parlor Dragon Maid. Okay, so we got 2 Dragon Maids. Nice. Master of Blades. We got this one too, and a whoa, Miscellaneousaurus. Awesome artwork, guys. Pretty dope. Let's see. Terraforming and Fairy Statue of Abyss. Creepy. Let's see. Next pack. I feel like we got some good pulls, and it's just our 3rd box. Nice. We still got 2 more to go. Ooh, nice. Right Prince. This is a Cute little Halloween card. Too late for that though. Can only be one. A Spheroid Tech, whatever. A Synchro Carrier. Where's our gold? Oh, there it is. Older Entity Entis. Nice. Oh, and another Miscellaneousaurus. Interesting. On the same box. Nice. Let's see, can we pull a Super Poly? And Nibiru. What else? Red Ice. Let's see. One can only hope. Ooh. Herald of Arclight. That's a new one. Sharp Ride. The Monarchs Erupt. And Anti-Magic Arrows. I haven't seen this card. Nice. And, ooh, cool. Last one for the box number 3. Lost World. Union Hanger. Wow, guys, we got Solemn Judgment. Are you kidding me right now? Nice. Crazy. Look at that. Look at the details and everything pops out, guys. Ooh, you can feel the thing around his beard and everything. This is great. This is awesome. Love this box. Foolish Burial and Cosmo Dark Destroyer. Cool. Some Star Wars looking thing. And cool. All right. That is box number 3. Box number 4. All right, guys. Box number 4. Let's see how this goes. After this one, we just have one more box and we are done. So let's see. Brotherhood of Fire Fist Coyote. Looks cool. Union Scramble. Silent Angler. Shared Ride. Oh, so interesting. So there's packs that have 2 and then the gold, and then there's one that have like 4, and then the gold are going to be right next to each other. So that's weird. Let's see, what did we get? Another Elder. Oh my. Guys. Are you kidding me? We got Red Eyes Black Dragon. Oh my goodness. Remember I told you guys if I have Blue Eyes and Red Eyes, I'll be one happy guy? Well, I'm a happy guy right now. I got both dragons in one box. And we got Harpy's Feather Duster, Eldritch, and Solemn Judgment. I mean, this is a win. Those are the cards that I was looking for. Wow. Again, you guys need to check this out, like, in person. Like, you guys, if you guys see this at Target or Walmart, pick yourself a box, and all the cards that are gold are pretty good cards, so it's a win-win. See? Nice. Other creepy card. So awesome, guys. This is great. All right, let's see. And we still got 2 more packs to go and another box, guys. Nice. Okay, the White Stone, and cool, we got Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit. Pretty cute card. Can we get at Palooza though? I heard that's like a really hard card to get, so I don't know. I'm feeling it. Draw and Lockbird. Again, pretty cool, pretty cute card. It doesn't even look like it's YuGiOh. It's like some other card game, but yeah, I'm loving. This is probably my favorite set of the year. More than the 10, more than anything. I really like Maximum Gold. Called by the Grave. Scrap Recycler. Barbie Barrier Statue, my bad. Anti-Magic Arrows. And another... Oh, Ash Blossom Enjoy Spring. No, we haven't got this one. This one's new. Sweet. Dark Lord, and Preparation of Rites. I feel like Preparation of Rites, we've gotten a lot of them, and it's always at the end. Interesting. Alright guys, can we pull a Super Poly, a Nibiru, an Appaloosa, or a... I forgot what it's called, but I know it's a trap card. Let's see if we get it. Darker Contract, Dionea. Wow, look at this. Chaos Dragon Levianeer. This is so dope. Okay, so this is probably the coolest card I've gotten so far. Looks wise. Check that out. Again, with the texture, amazing. Nice, Konami. Alright, what's next? A Speed Droid, Tekidum Borg, whatever that is, and a tour guide from the underworld. Cool artwork. And this thing, and terraforming. Nice. And here it is, guys. Our last box. What can we get here? So here is box number 5. We're first pack. Let's see. Which ones do you guys want me to get? I'm curious. Drop down in the comments what's been your favorite card so far and what are you trying to get out of this? Let's see. Union Hanger, Cyber Dragon Core, Unexpected Day, Stardust Charge Warrior, nice, and How's Dragon Maid. Wow, we've got maybe all the Dragon Maids, so that's cool. Let's see what this box brings us. See if it's a good one. And cool, another barrier statue, another Gaia the Dragon Champion, awesome. Can never have enough of those. Master of Blades, barrier statue, and this is it. This is it, guys. This is the trap card I was talking about. Infinite Impermanence. Really good card to use. Awesome artwork. And man, just this rarity is awesome. Probably the best thing of 2020 so far from Konami. Nice. Okay, so we pulled that one. All we need is a Super Poly, which is a card I don't even have. So that'll be nice to pull. Or a Nibiru. Let's see. Or an Appaloosa, actually. It's not bad either. The Son of Ancients. Oh, nice. A Monster Reborn. Awesome. And I just remember they're going to have an alternative art for this too. Like the old school one, the one that looks like a little ankler thing or whatever. Yeah. Cool. I'll take a Monster Reborn. Temple of the Sky. And Zodiac Chakanine. Or Chakanine. Cool. Awesome. Alright, guys. Our last pack from box number 5. Let's see. Let's see what we get. I'm excited. Cool. Another Right Prince. Dragon's Mirror. And cool. Artifact Lancia. This is a nice looking card. Sweet. And it's something we haven't pulled, so I'm happy. We have a Miracle Contact and a, oh, nice, Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. Look at that. That looks awesome. That's a good artwork. And our last card. You guys ready? Oh, Cosmo Dark Destroyer. Okay, so we didn't end up that strong, but I can't complain. I pulled a Blue Eyes, Red Eyes, Harpy's Feather Duster, that Imperial Impermanence, whatever trap card, Monster Reborn, and let's see, what else? Here, I have it right here. I'll show you guys. So we got a Cosmo, we got a Miracle. Oh, it's not even belong here. Okay. Artifact Lancia, Zodiac Chakanine, Monster Reborn. There it is. Infinite Impermanence, Gaia, Dragon Maid, Stardust Charged Warrior, Tour Guide, Chaos Dragon, Ash Blossom, Anti-Magic Arrows, Drow Bird, Ghost Ogre, Red Eyes, look at that. Amazing. An Elder, Cosmo, Solemn Judgment, good one. Anti-Magic Arrows, Herald of Arclight, another Eldris, Miscellaneous Roars, whatever, Dragon Maid, XYZ Dragon, and the Blue Eyes. Look at that, guys. This is dope. Eldritch, nice. Cyber Dragon, Utopia, Forbidden Chalice, nice. Zodiac, Chakanine, Stratos, Army, another Stratos, Mirage, Dragon Maid, another Gaia, XYZ Dragon, and Harpy's Feather Duster. Nice. So there you guys have it. This was my box. Pretty successful box. I really wanted Blue Eyes and Red Eyes, and I got them. So yeah, I might be getting some more, but you know what, guys? To be honest, I'm happy. And now I have all these comments here. So if you guys would like a few, let me know in the comments. Let me know your preference on these comments that you want, and yeah, I'll be giving some of those away. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. And thanks for watching, guys. You guys have fun, and I really recommend this box. Or even if you get one of these little boxes, not bad, because I feel like you're gonna want to have a a gold rare, especially if you're a Yu-Gi-Oh fan. So yeah, do that. Right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe.